Hey everybody, I wanted to jump on here today and answer some of the questions that we've been getting concerning the Bible Engagement Project and concerning the app. For starters, let me tell you, if you've not been in a small group yet, jump into one. We started week 1 of the Bible Engagement Project this week. We're going to show you a couple of different ways to download the app, and then we'll jump into how you can do it online if you do not have a cell phone or tablet of some sort. On your cell phone or tablet, you can go to your internet and type app.bibleengagementproject.com, and that will take you to this page where you can then either click on the App Store or click on Google Play and download it. The other way you can do that is to go directly to your App Store on your device. Then you're just going to type in Bible Engagement and Bible Engagement Project, and you'll come up and you're looking for the little orange icon that has a B in the middle. Once you've found that, go ahead and download it, and you're ready to go on your phone. Once you have that app downloaded, and mine's already set up so I can't show you this, you're going to have to select the church. You're going to need this church address in order to find us. It's 18620 Governors Highway, Flossmoor, Illinois, 60422, and it's Calvary Assembly of God. It's then going to walk you through a few things. You're going to have to select if you're the senior pastor or not. You're not, obviously. If you're a small group leader, or if you're using this for personal use, you're a church attendee and you're going to be using this in your small group or something like that. Just answer the questions. It's only about 4 or 5, and you'll get really quickly into the Bible Engagement app. Now let's jump into the app and show you what that looks like. There are some options at the bottom of your screen. Home, which is where it automatically loads to. The library, which shows you all of the curriculum for everyone. There's a Bible tab so that you can look up verses, and you have a choice of translations that you can switch between as well. Then there's also a notes page, and there are groups. When you get to your small group at church, they can get you signed into the groups. But even before you are there, if you want to start with your devotion, simply click on the library tab and go to the age group of your small group. So adult small groups, family devotions, kids preschool, and youth small groups. So we're gonna jump into adult small groups right now. We're doing Listen Adults. When I click that, it pulls up to the curriculum, and I told you this Sunday we began Session 1. So Volume 1, Session 1, Our Journey. When I click on that tab, what we did in Sunday school was the group session. So if you weren't there at the Sunday small groups, you can click on that from home and watch that at home. So if I click on Sunday small groups, I can, with just these buttons on the bottom of my phone, walk through what we talked about in Sunday school. I can answer those questions. I can watch the video that they watched. I have all of the verses that they discussed. And so even if I missed this week, I can catch up. If you'll notice, when I finished, it took me back to my home screen. It will keep your progress on your home screen all of the time. But if you ever get lost, just go back to library, jump back to your age group, and right into your session. At home, you have devotions this week. And so today, I'm going to start my day 1 personal devotions by simply clicking on that button. It works exactly like the group session worked. So it tells me, at home today, I'm going to read Luke chapter 24, verses 13 to 35, And then there are some questions for me in here to get me started thinking about what we discussed in our group this week. If you notice, there were several days of devotions that came up, 5 to be exact. That number varies based on age group that you are in, going into, and what week you're looking at. But every week, you'll be able to see exactly where we're at. So today, Volume 1, Session 1, we're on our Day 1 personal devotions. I'm sure there's a few of you that are going to say, that's great, Pastor Rebecca, but I don't have a smartphone, or not one that's large enough for me to be able to read on it, or I don't have a tablet, or maybe I just prefer to work off of my computer, whether that's a laptop or a desktop. Let me go ahead and show you how to find all of the Bible engagement curriculum on your laptop. From your browser, go to BibleEngagementProject.com/downloads. Again, that's BibleEngagementProject.com/downloads. We're working on the Listen curriculum, and here's where it gets a little bit more confusing. You are not going to select by age if you're on the computer. The only choice for you is Listen Family Devotions. Now that's the same content, but you're going to click on Listen Family Devotions, and then you select the lesson we're in. So we are on Volume 1, Session 1, Our Journey Begins. And you go right down here and select it. It's going to download that curriculum. And so you can find that in your downloads folder, or open it from the browser like I just did. And then you have your devotions for this week. So there's Day 1, Day 2, and so on and so forth. I hope this has helped some of you. I hope it's answered some of your questions. You are always welcome to send us a message on any of our social media, or send us a text message, and we will be happy to answer your questions. Again, I hope that this video has been helpful.